I want to show you a way to deal with viruses and bacteria. The best way to deal with it naturally is to use oregano. The oregano oil has to come from Greece or the Mediterranean. Okay, there are very different kinds on the market, but there are very few that are very authentic and very powerful for this. And basically, in here I have a few drops of olive oil. My coconut oil is preferred. Okay, and you take the oregano oil and you put two drops in here, okay, or three. This is very strong. Okay, it burns, literally burns. So know your tolerance on it. You're going to put it at the back of your tongue. Open your mouth and then drop it into the back of your tongue. It's where it's absorbed. You use this 2 or 3 times a day, and you're doing all you can in terms of keeping the virals and bacteria and everything away. Okay, this is just a natural natural way of dealing with it. Okay, if you have a serious issue, obviously go see a doctor. But this is how you deal with virals.